Hello.
Welcome to our channel. Hi kids! Today we are going to draw some beautiful flowers. Get your pencils ready and let's have fun drawing together. First, let's draw a flower with 5 petals. We draw the petals, a stem, 2 leaves, and the flower pot. Next, let's draw a sunflower. Sunflower has big round center, many petals, a stem, 2 leaves, and a pot. I love flowers. Now let's draw a tulip. A tulip has a beautiful flower shape, a stem, 2 leaves, and a flower pot. Flowers are beautiful and they make our environment look colorful and happy. Finally, let's draw one more flower with 8 petals. This flower has 8 beautiful petals, a stem, 2 leaves, and the pot too. Great job, kids! Now we have 4 beautiful flowers. It's time to color our flowers. You can choose your favorite colors and use your imagination to make them bright and beautiful. Pink. Let's color the 5-petal flower with your favorite colors. Purple. Flowers bring beauty and joy to the world around us. They grow in gardens, parks, and even in small pots at home. Yellow. Green.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock,
Sky blue.
tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Pink.
The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock,
Orange.
barked at the clock. The clock struck
Now let's color the sunflower.
3. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Yellow. Sunflowers are cheerful flowers,
There's a clock.
so we can use bright colors like yellow and orange.
Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock,
Light green.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
Red.
had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Pink. Let's color the tulip.
Laugh and play, laugh,
Tulips can be red, pink,
pain,
purple,
laugh,
yellow, or any color you like. Red.
and so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so
Purple.
the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about,
Green.
waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary
Blue.
so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The
Blue sky.
did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Purple. Finally, let's color our 8-petal flower and make it unique. Green. Remember, kids, flowers need water and sunlight to grow.
The water spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Taking care of plants helps make our planet more beautiful and green.
The spider went up the spout again.
Orange. Red.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the
Light green.
spider went up the spout again.
Yellow.
The itsy bitsy spider
Orange.
up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Amazing job! We created a beautiful garden full of colorful flowers today. Which flower is your favorite? Let's take a picture. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure. we keep learning with